Hi, I'm Carol Fox, and I will be the speaker at Unity this coming Sunday. And I have a question for you to contemplate between now and then. What brings you joy? Is joy a high priority in your life? It really wasn't in mine. Earlier in my life, I was more concerned with being good or feeling safe or perhaps feeling free of pain. But recently, I was in a real quandary over a serious decision I had to make. And the question in my mind was, what should I do? But the guidance I received was, do what brings you joy. I was really surprised. Since then, I've been exploring what does bring me joy and how does this relate to my spiritual journey. Join me on Sunday as we explore what is joy, what brings us joy, and how joy can be the most generous, loving, compassionate choice we could possibly make, and especially how can we make more room for joy in our lives. See you then.